Allah.
Dia kuat besar ya. Jadi itu ya, Pak.
But the sad thing is we don't have this big tree anymore.
Can you get signal here? Ano ka na buli? Yaboy mo si Babo o may yaboy si Milad? Ako na buli. Nah, Mil, sakay ka, Mil? Iya ko dyan? Sino? Kaya Mil, pinubas mo ba?
Malakay si Madam.
Malakay si Madam. Ayun na. Mano de.
We're taking from behind. Someone from the front. Stronger?
Stronger.
Oh.
The sound of the gibbons. The jungle, Borneo, and the sounds of the gibbon. Welcome, compound to the sounds of the gibbon. Gibbons are there. Yes, the last one. I wasn't eaten by the gibbon. There's no space, it's the last one.
Stuck over there.
Hardy, can you take a picture for the past? Did you go to mine? I'm taking a picture. Just give us a CD.
So I'll try to do that.
Yeah?
Yeah, you try.
I can show it to my grandmother.
I don't have editors here in my laptop, no?
Huh?
So I can't edit.
Oh, no, it's okay.
She's scared. Tanha is scared. See?
Huh?
Look at her. She's scared.
Who?
Tanha.
I don't see us coming slow. Hi, run! Run! Leave the bridge! Leave the bridge.
Jump, jump.
This is how you get over your fear. I used to be scared. I still get sometimes of that, but I try to overcome it. When we first made it so far, I got shaky legs when I climbed up the stairs. I'm like, oh my God.
This must be from some swamp area, yeah? Water comes from? Oh.
This is from the algae or what is the color?
No, from the
River. Yeah, with the sunshine coming there. Beautiful.
In the night safari, you may see some wild animal.
Yeah, maybe we can forget about the cultural night, no?
Oh yeah.
I mean, night safari is better than cultural night.
exactly.
Let's say that, okay?
Okay, forget about the culture night and let's